What's up guys, it's VDuck day 2 vlog every day until Christmas, and we're going 25 days straight. Today is day number 2. Show some love in the comments because we're going 25 days straight until Christmas. Let's get this bread. Today we're back at Walmart. We're about 2 days late. We're just past Black Friday, but today we're gonna do a little bit of Black Friday $20 Walmart truck mod challenge action for you guys. The rules are simple. We're gonna walk into Walmart and we got $20 to spend on Black Friday to modify our lifted or semi-lifted truck. Rules are simple. I mean, I got all the time in the world, as much time as we need to spend 20 bucks on something cool for the truck. I've really been kind of going back and forth on what area I should go to, and I think I almost immediately decided we're going straight to the actual truck area of Walmart today. Oh look, here we go. Here's something. Some lights, camper lights. So like I said, we got $20 to modify our truck today. I really need to clean my truck, but I'm not gonna do any kind of detailing. This is like interior lights for a camper or something, which actually isn't a bad idea. We'll keep that in mind. Look, these are little battery powered lights for like 10 bucks. So it's actually not a bad idea. Here's some hanging lights. We'll keep that in mind. Keep looking. So if you wanted to get more creative, I mean, you could literally make anything. I mean, they've got all of your repair stuff, they got tools, they've got your audio equipment, but there's one area in particular that I really have been wanting to check out for a long time. Right in front of it now. Walmart offers actually all kinds of just random off-brand lights, and I definitely wanted to come check out this area. So like we've got like a, what is this, like a 9-inch 12 LED light bar for like, let's see, that's like 58. Some grill lights for like 22, the interior kind of trim lights for 50, some bottom pods for 32, that one's 30. So I mean, we're kind of in the right area. See something like this, see that one's on rollback, 20, not too terrible. 23 for the reverse lights right there, see that one? You know, if I was really trying to stick with the budget and with just like an actual good video for today, these little radio install kits for $18 are actually really awesome. And that one fits the Dodge here, the purple one right in front of me would actually fit into the Ram, but I think I want to get a little bit more creative than just putting like a head unit into the truck. But both of these, like the double den and the single den, are both under 20 bucks, which is really surprising actually. And I could definitely get away with doing this today, but like I said, I want to be a little bit more creative than that. But super good option here if I wasn't just trying to go outside the box. Back to the LED lights, I'm noticing a huge jump in quality when you go from like a $15 or $20 light to even like a $50 light. You go from an all plastic or like an all clear plastic, just super cheap, even like those down on the end, housing for 20 bucks. And then when you jump to 50, 70, almost 80, you start getting into the more metal or high quality plastic housings for the lights. So $20 is definitely proven to be difficult if you're looking for lights in particular. Walmart actually has a huge detailing section, so drop a comment below if you guys want to see me do like a $20 or $25 detailing bundle here at Walmart in a separate video. All right, a black ice, so strawberry it is. All right guys, I've been here for about 20 minutes and I think I have found my items that are going to keep me under $20, so let's go check out. Got a really funny look from the lady at the checkout spot because I was filming, but that's part of it. I haven't gotten 100% comfortable with like just walking around Publix filming yet, or not Publix, but walking around Walmart filming yet, but comes with time. The goal was to spend less than $20 and I kind of went over the budget only just because I was having a little bit of fun. So total I spent was $25.54. Now I didn't have to get the little trees, but I have like a collection in here and it's kind of fun to just kind of get the little trees and throw them in your truck because they smell good. And do some of y'all leave the plastic on it? I've heard that if you leave the plastic on it, it's supposed to like make it make the smell stay longer. And I always put them on my rearview mirror right here. Oh, it's so tight.
The OnStar system is not active.
Oh.
To activate your service, push
Who is
the
this?
blue OnStar button now or call 1-888-4-OnStar.
I've had this truck for like 7 years and I've never clicked that OnStar button until then, and it just terrified me. So I saw this in the store for like $5 actually. So wow, that smells very strong watermelon. The watermelon 3-pack was $2.88, and this next item is $5.17. So we stayed below budget on the main item of the video today. So I got this little Tag It tracking device system for $5 because I kind of thought it was cool. Now it's made for your keys, but in terms of like trying to do something with the truck, you could leave this in your truck and track your truck. Now I don't know, unless somebody steals your truck, I don't know why you would need to track your truck, but it's kind of cool. And maybe you put this on a spare set of keys, maybe, or so you don't lose your spare set, or maybe you put it on your backpack, maybe, or you put it in your, like I said, put it in your truck, so maybe you don't lose your truck. I don't know. I thought it was cool. It was $5. All right, shut up. Thought it was $5. The main point of the video is something that I've kind of done before, so I'm gonna try not to use it in the same way. And I specifically haven't opened this because I don't know what comes in this. But what this is auto drive LED mini rope lights. It's an LED light. There's 16 feet of lighted length light, and it's energy efficient apparently. What says it says 16 feet there, but it says 16 foot lighted. Oh no, so the lighted part is 16 feet, but there's 22 feet total. Now what the hell am I gonna do with 22 feet of LED lights is the problem. But the main reason that I wanted to do this, I'm in the Publix parking lot right now. The main reason I wanted to do it in the Publix parking lot is because I didn't know if this was battery powered or not. And from what I can tell, provides 360-degree light, compact size, stores easily, energy efficient, warning, please read all cautions, blah, blah, blah. Okay, all right. Anyway, we don't read instructions around here. Look, so we got strip lights, right? So completely throws the ideas that I had for this out the window because it's not battery powered. If it was battery powered, my whole plan was to put it in the grill, or you could put it in the bed, or there's a couple of different things that you can do with this in terms of like lighting. But the only way to power this is they have this little wall adapter on the end. Now they do give you a decent amount of length of cord, so I do have an idea, but I've kind of already done this already. For those of you that don't know, you know, I got like 80 or 90,000 views or whatever it is on a video of, you know, I did the Rolls-Royce lights at one point, so you guys can kind of see it in the truck. Here, I'll turn all the lights off so you can see it up here, right? So you just got the single strip all the way around the front of the truck, right? So I've done the Rolls-Royce or Walmart Rolls-Royce lights before already, so I didn't really want to do that again, but I guess I don't really have a choice here because I 100% thought that these were battery powered. But let's plug them in and at least just see what they look like. And I mean, I could always run it the same. I could always add that. But honestly, if you want my opinion, I feel like the purple is cooler. Oh, wow, that is bright. Jeez, that's a lot brighter than the purple lights up there. Holy crap. That's kind of blinding a little bit. It's almost like a nice little, what's it called? Ring light or circle light or whatever. What are the TikTok people use? The ring light? Is that what it's called? These, I feel like if you put this light, that's like too bright. That's almost too bright to put up there. I mean, even just one in the center, like a sun in the center, is just, like I wouldn't want to ride around with that in the center. So I almost kind of give these challenges like a pass or fail, or a, you know, win or lose kind of deal. And I feel like I'm losing in this one, to be honest with you, because I don't really feel like, now maybe it might all be bunched together and it might not look too good all bunched together. Maybe that's what's going on right now, but I really feel like the little battery powered string lights
are better for the roof. I was really hoping I could do something with this like outside the truck, because I don't want to like run this across up top. Like that's way too bright. That's way too much in here. So might have been a fail. 100% might have been a fail. Not all of these challenges do I come up with something cool. This one, cool. Okay, I did rock lights one time and that was cool. This one, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but don't think this was my best idea.